I get asked this question a lot. Why did I have to stop eating chocolate? So 5 years ago, I was getting migraines like 3 times a week. And I saw online that somebody said that chocolate was causing theirs. So I cut chocolate out of my diet and immediately my migraines went from 3 times a week to once a month. So long story short, chocolate causes migraines. And in the past 5 years, I've had chocolate maybe twice. And both of those times I got a migraine. So for the foreseeable future, I will not be eating chocolate.